What if I told you that you could make up to $500 a day using AI without writing a single line of code? In this video, I'll show you how people in 2025 are making money online using free AI tools, even if you're a complete beginner. AI isn't just for tech geeks anymore. From writing, designing, even creating voiceovers, AI is helping regular people earn passive income online. So whether you're a student, stay-at-home parent, or just want a side hustle, watch till the end because I've saved the best method for last. Method 1, writing and selling ebooks using ChatGPT. Go to ChatGPT and ask, write a 5-chapter outline for an ebook titled How to Start a Side Hustle in 2025. Then generate each chapter one by one. Use Canva to format it beautifully. Upload it to Amazon KDP, Gumroad, or even Payhip. You can make $5 to $20 per sale, and it's 100% digital. No shipping, no inventory. Method 2, logo design using Looker or Canva AI. Go to looker.com, type in a business name, choose a style, and boom, instant logo. People on Fiverr and Upwork are selling logo services for $20 to $100 each. Tip: bundle it with a business card design using Canva to charge even more. Method 3. Sell voiceovers using AI tools like ElevenLabs. You can generate super realistic voiceovers with just a script. Use ChatGPT to write a YouTube script and ElevenLabs to create the voice. Then sell on platforms like Fiverr, Voquent, or even YouTube Shorts creators. Method 4. Create affiliate websites using AI plus WordPress. Use ChatGPT to generate content like Top 5 Fitness Gadgets in 2025. Then sign up for Amazon Associates or ClickBank and add affiliate links. All you need is 20 to 30 articles and basic SEO. You can earn commissions daily even while you sleep. Bonus: sell Notion templates created with AI. Ask ChatGPT, create a Notion template for daily budgeting. Copy the structure, style it in Notion, and sell it on Gumroad or Etsy for $5 to $30 per download. So which method will you try first? Type AI 2025 in the comments if you want a step-by-step guide on any of these. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more real money-making ideas every week.